All right, here I go again. Exhausted from having gone to the river. That walk, it's a trek. It's a 15-minute trek through the forest, going up. We got about, I don't know, we're about 80 feet up from the river. And then we just came up another 25, 30 feet. And here we are, beautiful forest. Walked a camper to their site near the river. And here we're about to pass the giant. We gotta give him a name. You see him? Oh, hello, giant. You frowning today a little bit? Let's see. I can't see you anymore. Well, we're keeping up the work here. Alright, just had some guys look at the barn so they can finish that. Jelly Bean Hotel. We got people camping here. 2 people, another one coming I think a little bit later on the 3rd site. And well, that's it. That's all we got today.